we're Jordan and Mike from the Midwest Munchers, and Discover Wisconsin has sent us to Madison to find the very best old-fashioned.
And in Wisconsin, that's a pretty tall order. We're gonna belly up at the bar at 3 different places seeking the best brandy old-fashioned around.
Let's pull up a bar stool and get started. We're at Quivey's Grove today to check out their amazing old-fashioned. I grew up right down the road, so I've been coming here since I was a kid, and it's a great spot.
Welcome to Quivey's. Is this your first time?
No, we've been here a few times, but could you tell us more about Quivey's Grove?
Absolutely. So we were built in the 1850s, the original mansion, the stone house across the way, and then the stable. What we're sitting in now is actually an addition that they added in the 90s, but the original stone wall leads you to the stable grill over there. The stable grill is a more casual setting. The stone house is a little bit more upscale, but we serve our very well-known old fashions at both locations.
So what makes the Quivey's Grove old-fashioned special?
One main thing, we put a cinnamon stick in it
Yes,
as
okay.
the garnish.
What's the deal with the cinnamon stick? I feel like it's super bougie. I like it.
It is bougie.
I didn't do it.
It really is bougie. So what it adds is a little flavor on the nose, you know, so you eat and drink with all of your senses. So a little bit of cinnamon on the nose actually kind of sweetens the drink a little bit. It changes it just ever so slightly. It makes it really delicious and it really makes it ours. Quivey's Grove Old Fashions for you.
I thank you.
Ooh, yeah.
We're here at Toby's to try the old-fashioned.
We're excited to check it out.
So we're here at Toby's, and we'd love to know more about the old-fashioned you guys make here.
So we make several different kinds. Probably the most popular would be your brandy old-fashioned sweet, which they say is a Wisconsin staple. Otherwise, we also do a press, which is sweet and seltzer.
That's my favorite.
That's your favorite? We do sour, which more or less people probably drink it more as a whiskey sour, but they do brandy.
And how long has Toby's been here for?
Toby's has been here a long time. It's been in my family since 1969. My grandparents bought it from Toby Curtis's wife. And so we've owned it since then. We've been through, you know, a lot of things, but it goes all the way back to Prohibition. A man named Arden Davis had a barbershop back where our kitchen is now, and then and he used to bootleg, and then when Prohibition was lifted, he put in the first bar and he cut hair down in the corner here.
And Jordan, this is one of our favorite spots, right?
It is. Anytime we have friends that visit the area, we always bring them here. It's an amazing supper club. You guys have amazing drinks.
Oh, thank you.
And we're so excited to have another old-fashioned today with you.
Excellent. What can I get for you?
Surprise me.
All right, we're gonna make a traditional brandy old-fashioned sweet. Toby's Old Fashions, enjoy.
Ooh, baby.
Delicious.
We're here at Buck and Honey's in Monona to try their old-fashioned.
And I hear they put something special in it. Maybe that's why they won Best of Madison 2021. Tell us about your maple bacon old-fashioned.
Yeah, so it's a Prohibition-style old-fashioned. We have this Woodinville cask that we age it in with Woodinville bourbon, Woodinville maple syrup, bitters, and water. And then we pour it over a single ice cube. We torch some bacon over it and serve it up.
And I have to ask, where did the bacon come from? Because that is so unique. I've never seen that anywhere.
And that's exactly why we did it. It's a unique thing that no one else does. It gives a little pizzazz to the whole drink.
Okay, but how do I actually get you to put 2 pieces of bacon in the drink?
2 pieces, we can do whatever you want. There y'all go, enjoy.
2 strips of bacon. All my dreams are finally coming true. Keep our happy hour happy and subscribe below.
Okay, hang on.
Hello. Would you care for a fish fry?
Swipe up to watch Madison. Swipe up to watch. Yeah.
Swipe up to see the, I don't remember, what was it? That was fantastic. That was fantastic. That was
Ooh, Nicole. Stop having fun here.
We're here at Toby's and
okay.
Cut.
That was like the most unattractive way to eat bacon.
that was fantastic. On to the next place.